Today we'd like to talk to you about proper dental and oral hygiene for your pet cats. Routine dental care is an important part of your cat's health that often gets overlooked. We will discuss the importance of dental health, steps involved in a dental exam and cleaning, and what you can do as an owner to assure the best oral health for your pet. So why is dental care important? Well, dental disease is extremely common and may affect up to 70% of cats throughout their life. Dental disease is also very painful, which can prevent your cat from eating or being his or her happy regular self. Finally, with advanced disease, kidney, liver, and even heart problems can develop if left untreated.
Before we get started talking about dental disease, we want to give you a brief overview of some of the anatomy to help you better understand dental diseases. The tooth is comprised of three major areas. These include the visible tooth, the gingiva or the gum, and the periodontal structures below the gum line. When the tooth erupts through the gum folds back on itself and creates a small pocket where debris and bacteria can hide and cause inflammation and disease. When plaque builds up on the visible part of the tooth, it also is building up in that pocket. And although we can only see the tooth that's visible above the gum line, the root of the tooth actually extends well below the gum line and is connected to the jaw by the periodontal structures. And this is an area where we see a lot of disease.
So what is dental disease? It is a result of inflammation caused by plaque buildup on the teeth. In cats, there are two main dental diseases of concern, gingivitis and periodontitis. Gingivitis describes inflammation of the gums. It is caused by plaque buildup, but fortunately is reversible and controllable, much like in humans. The gingiva, or gums, are connected to the periodontal structures below the gum line, so when the gums become inflamed, these other structures are at risk for inflammation and infection. Periodontitis refers to inflammation of the periodontal structures. Unlike gingivitis, this is a more serious, irreversible, and progressive disease. When these structures are unhealthy, the attachment of the teeth becomes weak and can eventually lead to tooth loss, or in more serious cases, cause disease in other parts of the body. A cat with gingivitis is far more likely to develop periodontitis. Fortunately, we can monitor and control gingivitis with proper routine care.
Routine dental care can be thought of as at-home preventative measures, as well as the veterinary dental exam, which is further broken down into the awake dental evaluation and then the sedated exam. The first oral exam involves evaluation of the external features of the cat's face. Asymmetry of the cat's face and gently feeling for pain can help identify disease within the cat's mouth. Your veterinarian will also attempt to look at the outer surfaces of your cat's teeth to look for any buildup and to also assess the gums for redness and inflammation. This part of the exam is often fast and difficult to perform. The sedated exam provides a more extensive look inside the cat's mouth. Technicians will closely monitor your cat while they are asleep. Dental x-rays will be taken to get a closer look below the gum line, as most disease occurs here. Your vet will look for signs of gingivitis, like swelling and redness, as well as for any broken, loose, or abnormal teeth. The information from the oral exams will be used to generate the best treatment plan for your cat. Finally, the teeth are cleaned and polished to remove calculus and plaque to avoid multiple sedation events.
There are steps you can take at home to help keep your cat's teeth clean and slow the progression of dental disease. You can give your cat dental treats that are hard and help to break off plaque and tartar that builds up on the teeth. Don't feed too many though, because although they're delicious and they're good for your cat's teeth, they're also high in calories. If your cat is particularly prone to dental disease and your veterinarian can help you determine if this is the case, you can feed your cat a prescription food that will help to minimize tartar buildup. Most importantly, you can learn to brush your cat's teeth, and that's actually a lot easier than it sounds. We like to use a flavored toothpaste that's specially formulated for cats. First, we let them try it as a treat, and then we put it on the brush and let them chew the brush. And then finally, we can use the brush to actively brush their teeth and minimize tartar buildup. Just to recap, in this video we covered the major points you need to know about keeping your cat's teeth healthy for a long and happy life. We talked about how dental health is an important part of your cat's health and well-being, and how your veterinarian can provide regular exams and cleanings for your cat's teeth. Finally, there are steps you can take at home to ensure that your cat's teeth stay clean between trips to the vet.